Everyone wants to know Creative Reality Studio. It is a technology to turn your ideas into talking avatars in seconds. The Creative Reality Trademark Studio is an AI-powered platform that combines GPT-3, Stable Diffusion and face animation technology to animate existing images, turn text to narrated sound, and more. The Creative Reality Trademark Studio was developed for businesses that want to use digital humans for a wide range of commercial purposes in sales, marketing, training, and customer success, and for content creators who want to use AI avatars to create stunning videos by bringing their art to life. DID is AI tools who enable users to create videos with moving and talking avatars. Combining the powers of DID's deep learning face animation technology with GPT-3 text generation and Stable Diffusion text-to-image capabilities, the Creative Reality Trademark Studio is the first all-in-one platform for those seeking to create amazing and cutting-edge videos with the power of artificial intelligence. If you want to create your own animated avatar, stay tuned. A detailed tutorial is coming in few hours. Stay blessed, stay tuned. Share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit bell icon.